In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a report in ERPNext, a versatile open-source ERP software that's highly customizable. This process is straightforward, yet understanding each part is crucial for tailoring reports to meet your specific needs. So, let's dive in and walk through this step-by-step guide. First, let's navigate to the awesome bar, your central hub for navigation in ERPNext. Here, you'll want to type Report List. This will take you to the interface where you can access all existing reports within the system. Once you're there, your next step is to click on New. This action will start the process of creating a new report that suits your requirements. Now, we move on to filling in the basic fields. The first field you'll encounter is the Report Name. Think of this as the title of your report. You'll want it to be clear and descriptive, such as Customer Orders Summary, so that anyone accessing it understands its purpose immediately. Next, you'll decide on the Ref Doc type. This refers to the main document type your report is based on. For instance, if you're creating a report that looks into sales information, you might choose Sales Invoice as your Ref Doc type. Following that, you'll need to select the report type. Here, you'll have a few options. You can choose the report builder if you're looking to create simple, tabular reports without much hassle. If you have SQL knowledge and require more complex data manipulation, then the query report is your go-to. Alternatively, if your report requires some Python logic, opt for the script report. Decide on the type that best fits your current needs and capabilities. You'll also notice an option labeled Is Standard. Generally, you should leave this unchecked unless you're in the process of building the report within a custom app. Standard reports are often predefined and part of system apps, so leaving this unchecked ensures your new report stays within the custom domain. Lastly, once you've filled in these fields, it's essential to click Save. This action confirms your entries and creates the report structure you'll be working with. Saving regularly is a good habit, as it prevents any potential data loss and makes sure your progress is recorded. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully created a new report in ERPNext. Remember, creating reports is all about understanding what information you need and how best to present it for clear analysis. Keep refining your reports to suit your evolving business needs, and you'll find that ERPNext can be an incredibly powerful tool. Thank you for joining me today. If you have any questions or topics you'd like covered in future videos, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy reporting.